Dear students, let's continue this chapter, Minerals and Energy Resources. Today, we are going to discuss about energy resources. Energy is required for all activities. It is needed to cook, to provide light and heat, to propel vehicles, and to drive machinery in industries. Energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and from electricity. Dear students, energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional sources. Conventional sources include firewood, cattle dung, cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity. Non-conventional sources include solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biogas, and atomic energy. Firewood and cattle dung cake are most common in rural India. According to one estimate, more than 70% energy requirement in rural households is met by these two. Continuation of this is increasingly becoming difficult due to decreasing forest area. Moreover, using dung cake too is being discouraged because it consumes most valuable manure which could be used in agriculture. Dear students, let us discuss each of them in detail. Conventional source of energy, coal. It is the most abundantly available fossil fuel. It is used for power generation to supply energy to the industry as well as for domestic needs. Lignite is a low-grade brown coal which is soft with high moisture content. Coal that has been buried deep and subjected to increased temperature is bituminous coal. Petroleum. It provides fuel for heat and lighting, lubricants for machinery, and raw materials for a number of manufacturing industries. Petroleum refineries act as a nodal industry for synthetic textile, fertilizer, and numerous chemical industries. Mumbai High, Gujarat, and Assam are major petroleum production areas in India. Natural gas. Natural gas is an important clean energy resource. It is considered an environment-friendly fuel. The power and fertilizer industries are the key users of natural gas. Compressed natural gas is used in vehicles to replace liquid fuels. Large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in the Krishna-Godavari basin. Electricity. Electricity is generated mainly in two ways: by running water, which drives hydro turbines to generate hydroelectricity. It is a renewable resource of energy. India has a number of multi-purpose projects like the Bakranangal, Damodar Valley Corporation, the Kapili Hydel project. By burning other fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas to drive turbines to produce thermal power, it uses non-renewable fossil fuels for generating electricity. Non-conventional sources of energy. The renewable energy sources like solar energy, wind, tide, biomass, and energy from waste materials are called non-conventional energy sources. Let's discuss them one by one. Nuclear or atomic energy. Nuclear energy is obtained by altering the structure of atoms. Uranium and thorium are used for generating atomic or nuclear power. Solar energy. Solar energy is produced by the sunlight. Photovoltaic technology converts sunlight directly into electricity. Wind power. Wind energy or power is the use of wind to generate electricity. Wind turbines are used for this purpose. The largest wind farm cluster is located in Tamil Nadu, from Nagarcoil to Madurai. Biogas. Biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. Biogas is the most efficient use of cattle dung. It improves the quality of manure. Tidal energy. Tidal energy is the form of hydropower that converts the energy obtained from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity. In India, the Gulf of Khambat, the Gulf of Cochin in Gujarat, on the western coast, and Gangetic Delta in Sundarban regions of West Bengal provides ideal conditions for utilizing tidal energy. Geothermal energy. When heat and electricity are produced by using the heat from the interior of the earth, it is known as geothermal energy. In India, geothermal energy is harnessed from Parvati Valley near Manikarna in Himachal Pradesh and from Puga Valley, Ladakh. Conservation of energy resources. Every sector of the national economy, agriculture, industry, transport, commercial and domestic needs inputs of energy. There is an urgent need to develop a sustainable path for energy development. Here are some ways that each one of us can contribute to save energy resources. Using public transport system instead of individual vehicles. Switching off electricity when not in use. Using power-saving devices. Using non-conventional sources of energy. Dear students, let's recap. Energy resources can be classified as conventional sources and non-conventional sources. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, electricity. We have also discussed nuclear or atomic energy. We have discussed solar energy, wind power, tidal energy, biogas, geothermal energy, and at last we have discussed regarding the conservation of energy resources. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.